Yo, it was good. You already know who this is. Yo, let me highlight you about something right quick. So, motherfucking, I went to V5 last night. There's this girl there, whatever. A fucking trip, dog. Tell me why, like, it, like, got to me, like, you know, and I peeped their game out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I peeped their game ASAP. So tell me why, motherfucking, this bitch, like using niggas. Like, bitches these days will use niggas, dog. Like, they'll use them for their money, their drinks, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And bitch, you don't even look that good. You're not, you know what I'm saying? You're not bad. You have a body, but you stay bent. You stay fucked up. Like, that's not what a nigga want. You know what I'm saying? That's not what I want. I don't know what type of niggas you're fucking with, drunk niggas at the bar. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna fuck around and get yourself fucked up over that shit, you know? Alright, I'm not gonna say no more. Like, it's just stupid to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's dumb as shit, yo. Well, fuck it. I had to vent right quick on my little webcam. You know what I'm saying? Alright, yo. Holla at y'all.
Get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up.
We trippin',
Get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up.
Juicy
Get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up.
Great Sean.
Get up, bitch, get up, bitch, get up, bitch,
You
get
know
up.
it.